Meaning of disloyal.
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 Disloyal. The word disloyal refers to someone who is unfaithful, deceitful, or untrustworthy towards a person, organization, or cause they are expected to support or remain loyal to. Being disloyal can have serious consequences, such as losing the trust and respect of others, damaging relationships or reputation, and even facing legal or social penalties. It is important to maintain loyalty in any meaningful relationship, as it forms the foundation for trust and mutual support, and helps ensure honesty and integrity in personal and professional interactions.